What if you could turn a single screenshot into a smooth, animated video with real camera moves and optionally synced to audio and export it as an MP4 using just HTML, JavaScript, and a tiny Node.js server? In this video, I'm going to show you my Micro-SaaS prototype called Video Animation Studio and how it generates video by capturing frames in the browser and encoding them with FFmpeg on the backend. I've had a lot of people asking me the same question lately. How are you making those smooth zoom and pan videos from screenshots? The ones that look like a camera is moving across the screen, perfect for shorts, reels, and quick product demos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm using. And I'll be honest, this tool was vibe coded. I built it in a few days, I built it the fun way, and I built it because the community kept requesting it. Last year, I actually turned this idea into a small SaaS. It worked, people liked it, and the system was solid. But I ended up closing it. Not because the product was bad, but because promoting it consistently was hard for me. I'd rather build than spend all day marketing. And eventually, I decided to bring it back in a way that fits me better. So now I'm sharing it with the people who actually asked for it. If you want the exact files I'm using so you can run it on your own computer and generate videos, you can join the school community. I'll leave everything inside the classroom so you can download it and follow along. One important thing before you run this on your own computer, you need to have FFmpeg installed. FFmpeg is what actually turns all the frames and the audio into a real MP4 video. Once it's installed and available on your system, everything else works out of the box. Now let me show you how I generate a video with this. The workflow is simple. You upload a screenshot, you upload a voiceover, you set a few movement points, and you export your MP4. The voiceover matters a lot here. I personally generate mine with 11 Labs, but you can use anything, your own voice, CapCut, Audacity, whatever you want. The important thing is, you need an audio file, and I recommend keeping it under 1 minute. That's the sweet spot if you're creating shorts and reels, because it forces the video to stay punchy, and it keeps retention high. So here's what I do. First, I prepare the screenshot I want to animate. It could be a landing page, a dashboard, a chat conversation, or even a simple Instagram post. Once I have it ready, I upload the screenshot into the tool. Second, I generate my voiceover. In my case, I write a short script, drop it into 11 Labs, export it as an MP3, and then I upload that MP3 into the tool too. As soon as the audio is in, I can scrub through it with the slider. And now, the fun part begins. I choose a point on the screenshot I want the viewer to focus on first. I move the screenshot with my mouse. I zoom in and out using the mouse wheel, and once the frame looks perfect, I click Create Keyframe. Then, I move the audio slider forward to the next moment in the voiceover, maybe when I mention a new feature or a different section, and I reposition the screenshot again. I drag it, I zoom it, I frame the next point I want to highlight, and I click Create Keyframe again. And I repeat that a few times. So basically, the audio tells me when to move, and the screenshot tells me where to move. When I'm done, I hit the button to generate the video, and it exports as an MP4, ready to upload directly to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Here's an example. Want to clone any TikTok video and repurpose it everywhere? With this automation, all you do is paste a TikTok link into Airtable, and the system does the rest. It downloads the video, removes the watermark, rewrites the script, and generates a talking AI avatar. Then it merges everything into a polished final clip. No manual editing needed. Finally, it auto-posts your content across social networks. If you want the automation, please join the community. Want to clone any TikTok video? That's it. No complicated editing timeline, no heavy video software. Just screenshot, voiceover, keyframes, export. If you want to copy the exact setup and run it yourself, join the school community and download the project from the classroom. You'll be able to generate the same style of videos on your own machine, and the best part is that you can generate free videos completely for free. There's no cost involved at all, unless you decide to use 11 Labs for the voiceover. If you record your own voice, that's actually even better. It feels more personal, more authentic, and it costs you nothing. This setup is also way more flexible than it looks at first. You're not limited to just one type of content. You can use it to create tutorials, infographics, blog-style visual posts, or boards where you walk people through ideas step by step. You can also use it for product demos, landing page walkthroughs, feature highlights, social media explainers, before and after comparisons, educational content, or even short storytelling videos. Once you start thinking in terms of camera movement instead of static screenshots, the possibilities open up really fast. And if this was helpful, please consider giving the video a like. Building tools like this takes a lot of time and experimentation, and your support really helps me keep creating and sharing things like this.